In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Wix banner from your website. You might have noticed, if you've been using Wix's free plan, that there's a persistent Wix ad appearing on your site. While it has been an invaluable tool for many to create websites without upfront costs, this branding can sometimes be a distraction or simply not align with the professional image you're aiming to project. Fortunately, the solution is straightforward: upgrading to one of Wix's premium plans. Not only does this upgrade clear away all Wix ads and branding, but it also unlocks a wealth of features designed to enhance your website's functionality and appeal. Let's dive into how you can accomplish this. Firstly, start by navigating to your Wix dashboard. This is your main hub for all things related to your website's management and design. Once there, cast your eyes toward the top right corner of the screen where you will spot the upgrade button. Click on it, and you'll begin your journey to unlocking a more polished and professional-looking site. Upon clicking Upgrade, a range of premium plans will be presented to you, each tailored to various needs and specifications. Whether you're running a simple portfolio site or a complex online store, there's a plan that's a perfect fit. Keep in mind that any of these paid plans will successfully remove the banner, so consider what additional features each plan offers that can help your site achieve its goals. Perhaps you need more storage and bandwidth, or options for online payments. Take a moment to carefully choose the plan that aligns best with your needs. Once you've made your selection, proceed with the checkout process. Wix has streamlined this to make it as hassle-free as possible. Be sure to have your payment information ready and double-check each detail as you move through this step. After completing your purchase, the changes will be applied to your website almost immediately. Removing the Wix banner is about more than just aesthetics. It marks a transition for your site into a more professional space. Not only will your site look cleaner, but you'll also likely find that visitors are less distracted and more encouraged to engage with your content. Remember that this upgrade isn't simply about removing an ad. It represents an investment in your site's future, opening up a suite of tools and resources that can significantly elevate your web presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Good luck with your Wix journey.